Hi, this is Dave Adams with Learn to Trade and Invest. Going to go over some of our e-mini trading today. It's the 16th of March 2011. Last couple of days have been pretty rough trading. The market's been down, but it's been really choppy. So it's been a little bit of a struggle. I think both days I was about even. I wasn't very happy with the way I traded, but in general it went okay. This is today's chart. I took 5 trades, and 4 of them were successful, and one of them I just had a complete mental breakdown on, I guess, because it was about as wrong as it can be. You can see here, this chart is a pretty simple chart. This is I use a program called Better Momentum. It's a pretty neat program in that it's an improved momentum indicator. But basically, what it does is indicate divergences rather than convergences. And while most people are busy studying, convergences, I'm interested in points where, say here and here, where you have, exhaustive selling or buying, problems with supply, and then obviously these are areas that the momentum is moving one way and the price is moving another. Volume indicator, and of course it's just regular old squeeze. First trade today was really simple. It was at 9 o'clock. It's pretty simple. We started having supply problems right here. The market hit a swing low, and everything was going our way, so we took that. And I'll show you. I use another scalping system that really gives good indicators, and I'll show you that in a minute. But well, we had a nice one here. I got 15 ticks right off the get-go. I was strutting like a peacock, thinking I was the smartest guy in the world. Second trade of the day was just, this one kind of scared me. Although it's not unusual for me to have trades that go one way and then or at least start one way and then end up going the other, and that was the case on this trade. I thought, oh boy, I got this all wrong. I think I would end up down 10 points or something, and eventually we came back, and I just took 10 on it just because I wasn't so sure it would have gone all the way, but being the chicken I am, that's what I took. This was, of course, you can see this trade from a mile away. I ran out the 15 ticks. I wasn't letting my trades run much today just because of the last 2 days we had a lot of retracement inside the bars, and I really didn't want to let myself get into a situation where I got into where it retraced back a lot of my profits. Yeah, I know you can move your stops, but I tell you what, it's on these two institute. These both indicate institutes or large traders selling. You can get some very fast movement, and I just wasn't comfortable there. You can see a bullish divergence here, and ended up taking this trade right here. Is this retraced back? I thought, I feel good about that, and that went fine. And then came my Waterloo. I was so confident, and I get this way. And it's not uncommon for me to blow the last trade of the day. It really isn't. On this particular trade, this is a program called FibGrid, and it's a wonderful program, by the way. And we just pierced. You could see how important this line had been all day, and we just closed below it, and so I thought I was just sure that things were going to go great, and kapowie, I got blown out of that trade in 2 bars for a loss, and it made me mad, and I just, well, not mad, but I just, didn't want to, I just felt like it wasn't a very good trade, and perhaps my decision, the decision making there wasn't exactly what it could have been. I'll give you another view, and it's another chart that I use a lot. This is called the Boomerang Scalp System, and I really haven't used it that long, and I'm really pleased with it. It's great. It gives you just another insight, especially I was using Decision Bar on the other one, so you're getting quite a few different signals. You can obviously look for some convergence in those signals. Here's that same 9 o'clock trade. There's really basically 3 things you're looking for. You can look for, an indication there's an up arrow. You got a cross on these moving indicators. I kind of jumped the gun a little bit. I should have probably taken it about right here, but I felt good about the trade. Took it a little early. You see the same configuration here. It goes long. You get a cross of these 2 moving averages. We get a little green, and we're good to go. Of course, this short was just as obvious as it could be, so it ran all the way. It was a little slow getting this getting to this long, but it did work out pretty good. It called it perfectly. It called it back here. I really got the green light to go here. We got our points. That wasn't a perfect setup, but it worked just fine. And then here I decided I knew more than any of the programmings or use or years of trading. I took a short trade right smack dab into it had come down. I thought, wow, that's going to go back through that, if you remember that yellow fib line, and got my doors blown off. So, all in all, it was a great day to trade. I had a lot of fun, any day you make money is good. I don't think we didn't make a ton of money. I think we were up 15, 25, 40, 55, up 40 ticks, trading 5 contracts, so it wasn't too bad of a day. Our trading room, I keep it small on purpose, just because I've been in a lot of trading rooms in my life, and trading on the floor and everything, and I get sick of the incredible amount of noise, and there are no shortage of experts in this business. So I run a real laid-back trading room. I keep the room small. I also let people talk the whole time, just so it doesn't interfere with our trading. I don't make any extravagant promises, really. I'm interested in you becoming a better trader. It's my belief that most people can learn to trade successfully. That's the promise I make. I'm here to tell you, I'm not making $1,000 a month like everybody else. I don't think I ever have. I think I made 200 or 300% once, but they aren't either. But you can claim what you want. I try to focus on sound technique for new traders and traders who maybe have gotten in a rut and looking for some sound technical advice and maybe some adjustments to their trading. Again, my name's Dave Adams. You can contact me at marketing@learntotradeandinvest.com. Love to hear from you. I'd be glad to let you sit in the room for several days and get a feel for whether it's what you're looking for. There are a number of beginners in that room, and they ask a lot of good questions, and despite how much you might know, it's always good to hear those things again. So that being said, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.